Recently, the whole world has been in crisis due to the pandemic caused by COVID-19, a branch from the coronavirus. Despite a virus that attacks the respiratory system, the virus cannot be infected through the air, but it does attack through small droplets of bodily fluid that come from the nose and mouth that can be spread through coughing, sneezing, or even spitting. So far, at 7 June 2020, there have been about 21,000 got infected by the virus. On the other side, we got 10,000 people treated well and got healthy again. But unfortunately, there have been 1,851 people fallen from it. In Indonesia, there are even many acts of rejection of the funeral of COVID-19 patients.
However, it's true that the bodies of patients infected with COVID-19 can transmit the virus. The WHO said if a patient is of COVID-19 infection, the lungs and other body organs may still contain live virus. Coronavirus in human can remain infectious on the surface for up to 9 days. The virus does not literally when the loss is because there is still media that allow it to stay alive. But to me, worry about infectious from COVID-19 cause. Because of us are required to protect themselves by wearing personal protective equipment, including gloves, masks, and eye protection. When taking care of the body to bury it, bodies that are suspected will be disinfected by hot water first. After that, the body can be bedded and wrapped short. After being washed and wrapped in short, the body is put in a body bag or plastic that is tightly bound and not water resistant. When picking, thread must be made of strong wood with a thickness of at least 3 cm. The threads will also be nailed in several places and the sealed using silicone.
After numerous objections to COVID-19 victims, the government appoints and provides special COVID-19 cemeteries according to procedures recommended by World Health Organization. The location of those cemeteries is set to be at least 500 meters from the settlement and 30 meters from the groundwater source for use for drinking. So the water source will not be contaminated with the virus. The body must also be buried deep, as minimum of 1.5 meters. Despite the medical workers work hard to treat their patients and the dead bodies well, many people have been rejecting the burials of the affected corpse. They've been stigmatized that the dead bodies may continue the infection further. And yet, people won't listen and still pursue to kick these dead corpses out from their area. The medical workers will openly help you if you get contained. And why wouldn't you accept the corpses to be buried properly?